everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we have unhappy news, which is we are going to explore the latest accounting updates in Odoo 19.2 that are actually focusing on two important improvements. So let's see what are they. The first thing is actually duplicating the payments prevention. So let's see, moving on to the customers, here we have invoices, right? So in some certain scenarios, we are actually doing simultaneously two same payments in twice. So here in Odoo 19.2, we have an improvement update. So let me show you what is actually, let's create a new invoice. Okay. So with an invoice, let me provide this is Acme Corporations. Once I'm done with that, let me add the product that I need to create an invoice. So let it be a stool. Once I'm done with that, there we have the price and everything. I'm just going to confirm this. Okay. So the problem that we are actually or the users actually faced before Odoo 19.2 is we are actually accidentally paying twice, like register the same payment twice or creating the duplicate entries for the same invoices. So this caused different kind of problems or the chaos inside Odoo accounting, such as incorrect balances, reconciliation issues, or financial inaccuracies as well. But here in Odoo 19.2, you don't worry about that. We have a simple and improved version. If I'm just moving on to the payment session for creating the payment for this invoice, there you can see that we have the amount, and here I'm just clicking on the create payment button. After onwards, that's in payment. After the reconciliation only, this proper in payment ribbon is moving on to the paid status. Moving on to the payment side, now you can see if that will be in reconcile stage, it should be reconcile before doing anything. Okay, so that's in payment stage, and in certain cases, you know that this payment button is still activated and you can create a payment. So if I'm just clicking on payment option, now you can see Odoo 19.2 is showing you a warning message which shows that amount of $575 is already paid. Make sure you don't pay twice and check the payment as well. So there you can see the amount is still giving you the zero, and you don't want to make a twice payment or duplicating the payment in a different way as well. So this is the first and most useful and important improvement that happened inside Odoo 19.2 that is actually very good, right? So now let's talk about the second one. It's the exchange rate. Okay. It's basically the improved foreign currency handling. Moving on to there, I'm moving on to the vendor side and then just creating a bill. Okay, creating a bill, I'm just clicking on the new, and let me create a bill with, okay, let it be okay, let it be Acme Corporation itself. So once I'm done with that, now let me add the product that I need to pay. So let me provide it as table. Once I'm done with it, I want to provide the price as well. So let it be $300. So once you're done with that, now you can see the particular vendor is actually using a currency which is euro. And now you can see an option that is actually giving you the exchange rate in USD as well. The euro is changing into USD. Now you can see it, and you can either change that into another thing like AED. If I'm just moving that into AED, now you can see this particular thing has changed it, and now you can see the exchange rate as well. If I'm confirming this and creating a bill, okay, let me provide the bill date as well. If I'm confirming this with a bill date, let me confirm and creating a payment. On that part also, you can see this particular exchange rate. Now you can see it. Okay, if I want to create the payments, now you can see this is in AED, and it's giving you the exchange rate of USD as well. So that's the second new update in Odoo 19.2 accounting module. So now you can easily provide each and every kind of details, and you can accurate your financial transaction, bills, customer invoice, and accounting details as well. So I hope you all understood this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another kind of new updates in Odoo 19.2. Till that, wait for it. Okay, bye-bye.